Welcome back to the vlog, or shall I say aloha? Well, we're here at Leeward. Today's day one, practice day, practice and pro-am day. This is something you're never gonna see anywhere else. We get to wear shorts. It's amazing. But anyways, we got practice session. I think I'm only gonna bring in 6 balls. I brought 9. So I'm trying to figure out which ones to leave in the car. I have a good idea. And unfortunately, one of each ball when I leave in the car is in every bag. So anyways, we'll see you inside. Alright, practice is almost over. We're using current oil combined with pretty old lane surface, so they're probably going to hook a lot. Honestly, I'm liking Zen on the fresh, probably. Maybe phase 2. Big balls don't look great. Subject to change as always, but Jake is probably going to throw the purple hammer.
Hello.
Hi. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. My ball's not reading the lane very good. I think I might just try to hit the piss out of it this week. See how that works out for us.
A nice round of applause from Las Vegas, Nevada, Mr. Darren Tang.
to the vlog. Had some adventurous things happen last night. This hotel property is really big, and where we had to check in was a good 10-minute walk from where our hotel was, or timeshare. My clips last night didn't go through. I couldn't upload them, disconnected from the internet, but that's okay. So I think we have some time. But anyways, today we have about a 25-minute drive to the bowling center. So we're gonna get some breakfast really quick from Starbucks, and then we'll start the drive. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I forgot to mention that we parked, and the parking lot is in the center of all of the hotels. I had no idea what to do. We dropped the bags off, and then I parked the car. You gotta think, this is a really nice hotel property because it's $55 to park my car per day. I'm okay paying it. We're only staying here for 4 days. I haven't had a lot of expenses this week, so it's all right. And it's like vacation, right? So it's a couple of dollars to stay somewhere really nice. After a little bit of searching, we found the car. Like I said, it's a big property. The parking lot's in the middle. Very large parking lot. Adventurous start to the morning. Also, I'm on like 5 hours of sleep, so we have a special vlog for you guys. This is Jairus.
Hi.
He's 12. He's gonna ball rep me today.
Yeah.
Yeah. This should be very interesting.
So
All right,
far.
ball rep. You gotta know what bowling balls I got in the bag, so let's go take a look.
So far. Okay.
Are you just gonna whine the whole time?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm already kind of irritated this morning.
Me too.
All right, my bags are right here. We got this orange one, and then this dark blue one, and then we got another bag here. That's a green one, and that one's a lot of different colors. And then that's the blue one.
Colors don't matter, it's about the shape.
Wait, I thought the prettier they are, the more they strike.
No, I think it's the shape, square ones.
Square ones, all right. Do you agree?
No.
Okay, all right, I might have had to fire you if you said yes. All right, and then there's the balls I threw last night.
Throw whatever's on the rack that you have on right now.
23 to 28. So everyone that's bowling, please head down to that area.
The black one?
Yeah. You must start off with that every time.
Every time? Every first frame?
Yes.
All right, I think we might be in trouble today. Wasn't listening, so I made an executive decision on my own. We got a double. What do you think? I'm playing the right lane like an arrow more. Just letting you know. So when we bowl match play and we come back to this pair, I need you to remember that. Like remember, lane 10 is like an arrow more. It's even worse when you miss the pocket more than you hit it. And they're not very hard. Oh, they're not really easy either. Whatever. 50 under after 2, well 170 first 2 games. Not so good. I've thrown almost every ball in my bag. I think we got it now though. I think we got it. Alright, ball rep, what are we throwing?
We're throwing Wolverine.
You're throwing the Wolverine. I'm 50 under after 4. Hasn't gotten a lot better. I've split 10 times so far. My hand's not doing the right thing. It hasn't done the right thing all year.
Okay.
I've also made a lot of changes. I worked with dads before I came out here, so I'm, you know, it's like a growing phase. I had to pocket every shot in this game. Very well could have been the front 9. Maybe the second frame that was like a read shot. 2 10 pins. After I struck, I'm like, alright, I'm gonna make a move. Wrap 10. Alright, I'm gonna make a move. Wrap 10. And then one shot, I moved 1 more, and then it was 10 back. So maybe I gotta move 2 instead of 1 for the times I think, oh, I gotta move. Well, as you can see by the shirt, we've already changed. Didn't make it, 40 under. Probably gonna miss by about 60 or 70. I'm gonna have to announce that I'm not bringing my newly found ball rep on tour with me. We're 0 for 1. So, I'm sorry, you're fired.
Yay.